Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming authority. You must be the Epic account owner or have clear parental consent. Once confirmed, sign out of Fortnite on every device and open the Epic Games account page. Make sure you have the account email, password, and access to any 2FA method. Without them, you cannot legitimately change restrictions. If console-level parental controls exist, note which platform they are on: PlayStation, Xbox, or Switch, because you'll need to address both Epic and console settings. Next, sign into your Epic account and go to Privacy or Parental Controls. Enter the parent verification when prompted. This may require the parent's Epic login or an emailed code. Adjust chat, voice, and age-based restrictions to the desired level and save. Once done, verify your email and confirm any console account links are updated so Fortnite recognizes the new permissions. Make sure two-factor authentication remains enabled for security. It protects the account while you change settings. Finally, restart the console or PC and sign into Fortnite to let the updated permissions take effect. If restrictions persist, inspect the console or platform parental controls. PlayStation, Xbox, or Switch may enforce limits separately, and ensure the Epic account is properly linked. If you still cannot remove controls, gather proof of account ownership and contact Epic support for an authorized unlock. They can guide verification steps. Make sure to communicate openly with the parent or guardian throughout to avoid.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.